I don't come brand new, baby. I ain't fresh out the bottle. I got dents in my armor, yeah, some rust on my locks. Been loved the wrong way, held together with pride. Every time I try to fix it, something else broke inside. I don't need you to save me, just hear me when I say I'm standing here on it. No filters on my pain. I ain't fragile, I'm just warm from holding storms alone. If you touch me gentle. I'm still learning how to feel whole. I'm not finished, I'm not broken, but I'm not all the way complete. If you love me slowly, love me where the pieces meet. I don't come fully put together, but my heart is guaranteed. If you're willing to be patient, baby, some assembly required in me. I've been patched up with maybes and stitched up with we'll see. Too many almost forevers that never wanted me. I learned how to smile through silence, how to sleep with regret. Now I'm tired of pretending I don't need tenderness yet. I won't bleed on your future, I've done my healing alone. But some scars need a witness to remind them they're grown. I ain't asking for perfection, just a place I can land. Someone who understands a man still rebuilding his place. And I'm not finished, I'm not broken, but I'm not all the way complete. If you love me slowly, love me where the pieces meet. I don't come fully put together, but my heart is guaranteed. If you're willing to be patient, baby, some assembly required in me. Oh, if you stay while I'm learning, if you hold me while I've been, I promise what I'm building is a better version of a man. No missing parts, just healing time. No instruction manual for love, but if you read me with your heart, I might finally be enough. Any handle with care, still under construction. Love takes patience, I'm worth the wait. I'm not finished, I'm not broken, I'm just learning how to breathe. If you love me slowly, build a future out of me. I don't come fully put together, but my soul is finally free. If you're willing to be patient, baby, some assembly required in me. Some assembly required, but I'm worth every piece. If you stay for the process, you'll get the best of